everyone, this is Dr. P. Srilatha, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this session, I am going to discuss about mean variance mode of the binomial distribution. So, mean variance and mode of the binomial distribution. So, now we will discuss about mean of the binomial distribution. By the definition of binomial distribution. So, according to our definition of binomial distribution, B of x comma n comma p, or that is nothing but p of x equal to x, that is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. Okay, so this is our formula. Okay, so but we have what is mean formula. We know that mean mu equal to or mean equal to summation x into f of x. Okay, so summation x into f of x, or x equal to 0 to n into x into f of x. Okay, so summation x into x equal to summation x equal to 0 to n x into f of x. So what is f of x? We know that p of x equal to x is nothing but f of x. P of x equal to x, that means that is nothing but f of x. Okay, so summation x equal to 0 to n x into what is f of x here? So we know that f of x is ncx p power x q power n minus x. So what is f of x? ncx p power x q power n minus x. Okay, so summation x equal to 0 to n. So we know that ncx, what is ncx formula? ncx means n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. So the formula for ncx, so here we are focusing on only ncx. Okay, so here we are focusing on only on ncx. So we know that ncx means n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. Okay, so summation x equal to 0 to n x into ncx n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial and p power x q power n minus x. Okay, so summation x equal to 0 to n x into n factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so like that x factorial can be written as x into x minus 1 factorial. So that's why x into n to n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus x can be, n minus x factorial can be written as it is, and x factorial can be written as x into x minus 1 factorial. So and p power x is there, no? So that can be written as p into p power x minus 1. So because p power plus 1 minus 1, or we can write p power x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is p power x minus 1 into that is p. So that can be written as p into p power x minus 1. So p into p power x minus 1. P power x can be written as p into p power x minus 1 and q power x. Okay, so that is equal to, so here I am taking p here and from this I am taking n. So I am keeping np in the outside of the summation. Okay, so that means np equal to summation x equal to 1 to n. Already we have taken n value. So now we are having, so x get cancelled, right? X get cancelled. So from that n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus x factorial into x factorial and p power x minus 1. Already we have taken p value in the outside, right? So from that we will get p power x minus 1 and q power n minus x. Okay, so now let, this is very important one. So let x minus 1 equal to y. Okay, from that we will get x equal to y plus 1. Okay, so substitute all these values here. So in this case np equal to summation. So we know that x equal to 1 means, so if I substitute x equal to 1, so that is 1 minus 1, y will be 0. So from that we will get y equal to 0. If I substitute x equal to 1, because y equal to x minus 1, if I substitute x equal to 1, that is 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So that's why y equal to 0 to, if I substitute y equal to x minus 1, right? If I substitute x equal to n, okay, so that will be n minus 1. So that will be n minus 1. Okay, so and n minus 1 factorial is as it is and n minus x factorial. So we are having n minus x factorial. So we know that x equal to, so y plus 1, x equal to y plus 1. So that is n minus 1 minus y. Okay, so here I am simplifying like this. Okay, so that is n minus 1 minus y. N minus 1 minus y factorial. N minus x factorial can be written as n minus 1 minus y factorial. into, so what is x minus 1? We know that x minus 1 is y. You know that x minus 1 is y. So that's why that is y factorial. And p power x minus 1. So we know that already x minus 1 is y. So that's why p power y. And q power. So q power n minus x. So q power n minus x is there. Q power n minus x value is y plus 1. Okay. So from that n minus 1 minus y. Okay, so from this we are writing n minus of y plus 1 can be written as n minus 1 minus y. So substitute all these values here. Okay, so now simplify this one, that is from this np into summation y equal to 0 to n minus 1. So we know that NCX equal to n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. Okay, so NCX can be written as n factorial divided by n minus x factorial into x factorial. Okay, so from this n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial can be written as NCX. So like this is also will be in the form of like that. Okay, so here n factorial divided by n minus x factorial into x factorial. So this will be in the form of n minus n factorial divided by n minus x factorial into x factorial can be written as NCX. So that's why here n is nothing but n minus 1 NCX. This will be in the form of NCX. Okay, so this will be in the form of NCX. So here n equal to n minus 1 and x equal to y. Okay, so now p power y, q power n minus 1 minus y. Okay, so and so this will be np. So np into, so we know that the summation of sum of the binomial distribution is always equal to 1. So that's why summation ncx p power x q power n minus x can be written as p plus q whole power n. Okay, so p plus q whole power n. Already we have discussed in the previous session. So that is summation ncx p power x q power n minus x can be written as p plus q whole power n. Okay, here x equal to 0 to n. Okay, so and here we are having summation y equal to 0 to n minus 1 and n minus 1 cy. So p power y q power n minus 1 minus y, n minus 1 minus y. Okay, so summation y equal to 0 to n minus 1 cy p power y q power n minus 1 minus y. So this can be written as, so here n equal to n minus 1 and x equal to y. Okay, so from that p plus q whole power x, sorry p plus q whole power n. So that means n value is n minus 1. So that's why p plus q whole power n minus 1. So that can be written as, so this can be written as like this, p plus q whole power n minus 1. So np into p plus q whole power n minus 1. And we know that what is p plus q? So we know that p plus q equal to 1. So from that 1 whole power n minus 1. So that means 1 power anything is 1. Okay, so 1 power anything is 1. So np into 1, that is np. So therefore mean equal to np. So that means therefore the mean of the binomial distribution is np. The mean of the binomial distribution is np. So next one is variance of the binomial distribution. Okay, so before going to start variance of the binomial distribution, so what is the definition of binomial distribution? So here the definition of binomial distribution is p of x equal to x, that is ncx p power x q power n minus x. We know that that is nothing but f of x. Okay, so but we have the variance equal to summation x equal to 0 to n. What is the main variance formula is summation x equal to 0 to n x square f of x minus mu square. Okay, so summation x equal to 0 to n, x square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x. X square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x. That means this is x square minus x plus x. Okay, so that means we will get x square only. So x square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x into f of x minus mu square. Okay, so after simplification, we will get summation x equal to 0 to n, x into x minus 1 into f of x plus summation x equal to 0 to n, x into f of x minus mu square. Okay, so minus mu square. But we know that already we have discussed summation x into f of x. So what is summation x into f of x? Summation x into f of x means that is nothing but NP, mean of the binomial distribution. So this means summation x into f of x, right? So this is summation x into f of x. So summation x into f of x means that is NP. So that's why summation x into f of x is NP. What is mu? So here mean is nothing but mu. Okay, mean is always denoted with mu. So that's why mu equal to NP. In the mean of the binomial distribution is NP. So that's why this is NP square. So according to our function, so x into summation, so here I am simplifying this one. So summation x equal to 0 to n x into x minus 1. What is f of x? NCx p power x q power n minus x. Okay, so summation x equal to 0 to n x into x minus 1. Okay, so NCx can be written as n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. So now here I am focusing on NCx. Okay, that means n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. But here we are having x into x minus 1. But here we are having x into x minus 1. So for that we need to write n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So like that x factorial can be written as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial. Okay, so substitute all these values here, and p power x can be written as, so p power minus 2 plus 2. So that means p power x minus 2 into p square. Okay, or p square into p power x minus 2. Okay, so p power x value can be written as p square into p power x minus 2, and n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, and n minus x factorial can be written as it isly, and x factorial can be written as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial. Okay, into q power n minus x plus np minus np square. Okay, so now here I am taking n into n into n minus 1 into p square outside, n into n minus 1 into p square outside, and then x equal to 2 to n. Why we are writing here x equal to 2 to n? Why we are not writing x equal to 0 to n? If I substitute x equal to 0, then this can be converted into negative. Okay, 0 minus 2 factorial, that can be converted into negative. So that's why we need to write x equal to 2. We need to write up to x equal to 2 to n. Okay, so now n into n minus 1 into p square, and x equal to 2 to n. In fact, n minus 2 remaining will be n minus 2 factorial, n minus x factorial, x minus 2 factorial into p power x minus 2. Already we have taken p square, right, in the outside. Okay, so that will be q power n minus x plus np minus np square. Okay, so first of all we need to keep n into n minus 1 into p square outside, and x equal, we have to write x equal to 2 to n, because if I substitute x equal to 0 to n, then the factorial can be converted into negative. Okay, so that's why we need to write summation x equal to 2 to n. Okay, so now this is very important one. The turning point is here. So that is x minus 2, let x minus 2 equal to y. So let us consider x minus 2 equal to y. So from that we will get x equal to y plus 2. Okay, so that is n into n minus 1 into p square. So that will be summation y equal to 0 to n minus 2, because if y equal to here x minus 2, so here I am substituting x equal to 2. Okay, so that means 2 minus 2, 0. So y equal to 0. That will be y equal to 0. So for n minus 2, how we will get n minus 2? If I substitute x equal to, so we know that y equal to x minus 2. If I substitute x equal to n, so that will be n minus 2. That will be converted to n minus 2. Okay, so summation y equal to 0 to n minus 2. And n minus 2 factorial can be written as it isly. Okay, so what is n minus x factorial? So we know that n minus x factorial can be written as n minus x. X is nothing but here x is y plus 2. So that will be y plus 2 factorial. So that is n minus, this one I am writing like this. So n minus y minus 2. whole factorial, or n minus 2 minus y. So here n minus x factorial, n minus x factorial can be written as n minus 2 minus y factorial. So n minus x factorial can be written as, after substituting the values of x equal to y plus 2, that can be written as n minus 2 minus y factorial. So what is x minus 2? We know that x minus 2 is y. So that's why that will be converted into y factorial. And p power y. Why we are writing p power y? Because here we are having p power x minus 2. We know that x minus 2 equal to y. So that's why this is p power y. And q power n minus x. Already we have discussed n minus x factorial. Okay, that can be written as n minus 2 minus y. So n minus x can be written as n minus 2 minus y plus np minus np square, np whole square. Okay. Next one. So n into n minus 1 into p square summation y equal to 0 to n minus 2. So up to here we are writing as it is. What about this one? Okay. So what about this one? We know that already we have discussed. We know that ncx can be written as n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. But n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial can be written as ncx. So but here we are having n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 minus y factorial into y factorial. So let us consider n equal to n minus 2 and x equal to y. So this will be in the form of n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. N factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. So that can be written as ncx. Okay, so ncx. So that's why this is ncx. So n minus 2 cy or p power y q power n minus 2 minus y plus np minus np whole square. And also we know that for this, also we know that summation x equal to 0 to n. So x equal to 0 to n, ncx p power x q power n minus x can be written as p plus q whole power n. So p plus q whole power n. So that's why this will be in the form of ncx p power x q power n minus x. So here n equal to n minus 2, right? So here n equal to n minus 2. So that's why that can be written as p plus q whole power n minus 2, like this. Okay. So this will be in the form of summation x equal to 0 to n ncx p power x q power n minus x. That can be written as p plus q whole power n. So this is also will be in the form of summation y equal to 0 to n minus 2 cy p power y q power n minus 2 cy n minus 2 minus y can be written as p plus q whole power n minus 2. Okay, so that will be converted to n into n minus 1 p square p plus q whole power n minus 2 plus np minus np square. Okay, so after simplification we will get n into n minus 1 into p square. Because what about this one? So what about p plus q whole power n minus 2? We know that p plus q is always equal to 1. So from that p plus q is nothing but 1 power n minus 2. That means that will be 1. Okay, so this is 1, right? So that's why n into n minus 1 into p square into 1, that will be n into n minus 1 p square into 1 means that is n into n minus 1 p square plus np minus np square. So after simplification we will get n square p square minus np square, n square p square minus np square plus np minus n minus np whole square can be written as n square p square. Okay, so np whole square can be written as n square p square. So n square p square minus n square p square get cancelled. Okay, so from this we will get, here I am taking np common. Okay, so np into 1 minus p. np into 1 minus p, we know that p plus q equal to 1. So from this q equal to 1 minus p. So 1 minus p is nothing but here q. So that's why 1 minus p is q. So therefore the variance sigma square equal to npq. So therefore the variance of the binomial distribution is npq. Okay, so next, standard deviation of the binomial distribution. So therefore, the standard deviation of the binomial distribution is under root of variance. Actually, we know that what is variance, sorry. So what is standard deviation? So standard deviation is nothing but under root of variance. Okay, so here the variance of the binomial distribution is NP. Okay, NPQ. So that's why the standard deviation of the binomial distribution is under root of variance. So that means under root of NPQ. Under root of NPQ. Next one and the last one is mode of the binomial distribution. So what is the definition of mode of the binomial distribution? So mode is the value of x for which f of x is maximum. So what is the actual definition? Mode is the value of x for which f of x is maximum. We know that f of x is nothing but p of x equal to x. Okay, that is maximum. So here the mode formula is n plus 1 into p. N plus 1 into p if it is an integer. Okay, if it is an integer, the mode value is n plus 1 into p. If it is not an integer, so here we have to take the integral part of n plus 1 into p. Integral part of n plus 1 into p. Okay. So if we have 4.3456, we have to take only 4. So that is the mode value. Okay. So mode equal to n plus 1 into p if it is an integer, and mode equal to the integral part of n plus 1 into p. That means 4 point something also. For 4 point something also we have to take 4 value. Okay. So that is integral part of n plus 1 into p if it is not an integer. Okay. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.